we're going to do our nails and our toes at the salon. Ooh.
Thank you, Dr. Anna Maria, for my Get Well Soon goodie bag. Now, inside my bag, I can see lots of stuff. I see magazine. I see Pringles. And some other goodies inside. Thank you, Anna Maria. I see a little goodie bag inside a goodie bag. Little lady stuff. And I have my card here.
Hello. Me and my niece. Going to do our nails and our toes.
Yes, done. My niece just come and get me because she's gonna treat me today. So I'm gonna have my toes and my nails done today. Manicure and pedicure, guys.
It's a beautiful day today. The sun is shining. Thank you, God. So you know when we in the UK see like a sunshine, you know, we go crazy. We just have to make use of the sunshine because we not see it often. This is not the Caribbean.
Hi, Missy. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
My niece just came to get me. She wanted to cheer me up. Oh, she's such a sweetheart.
So now we're going into natural nails to have my nails back. Come on, guys. I like this shape.
I was taking a picture, go back. I think it's taken, but I'm not sure. We'll try it. Check after. Oh, they didn't actually know.
So people, I don't realize I love the camera. And the camera love me too, you know. Yes, nice over here. Watch nice, straight through. Just sitting now waiting on the nail technician to come. And while I'm sitting here, I'm in the massage chair. So I'm having my little massage and just relaxing and waiting for the technician. Lady, where you there? How long me I go wait?
Well, shut up. Yeah.
So we're choosing colors. I know exactly what I want. I'm so sad. I can only do my toenails. I can't do my fingernails because of my surgery. Watch how the nail taker deal with me. She has scrubbed the foot really good anyway. I like how she has clean it up too. Good job. Thanks to my niece. Jenaye, thank you very much. I really needed this. But, you know, auntie always treat you nice. So, you treat back auntie because you see that auntie down. And you just try to cheer me up. I'm look nice. Oh my God. And this me I talk about warm stone and oil and rubbing and massage and thing. No, sir. I want to stay here so forever. Nail take a go on with herself, me nah lie. Guys, this nice. Bad. Watch ya. Go on with yourself, nail tech. Rub and smooth it down. Oh, you mean? Feel good, I say? Nah lie. Thank you. Natural toenails. I can say they did a good job. I really like the place and watch my toenails them. Them clean them up good. Them look good. I'm not lie. Really look nice. Watch nice right here, so every minute she take picture and I go on. I didn't let them touch my fingernail because since I did the surgery, I'm a bit scared because it's still painful and swollen. So me know if them ever touch them fingernail inside of the shop here today, is one piece of judgment ball in a go on. So let me leave that for now. Next time. I'm waiting on my niece because I do the full 100 manicure and pedicure. So for now, me just relax myself and I listen to Brandy, Almost Doesn't Count. So watch girl just sing and go on with herself. You're gonna stick around and everybody knows almost doesn't count. Girl can't sing, you know. Used to sing at school. Me used to perform. Oh, so I can't stay there. At this me I talk about. Look right here, so watch nice. Watch look good place. Business owner man. The whole owner out there. Hairdresser and the nail technician them. Barber shop them. You need to fix up on a place so customer will always feel welcome and keep coming back. But watch your man, me love my toenail them. And this are the thing right now. Me love them bad. Them clean up real nice. But we come back again. So thanks to my niece once again. I really enjoy my day out with you. And I hope to do this more often. Hi, Nisi. So you finished. Lady, where you go? Them toes, your toe them look good. Your finger them look good. Yes, my niece. Simple and nice. Nothing too much. Yes. Really look good. This is our Sunday flex. Sunday flex with my niece. So me and my niece is rolling. Just finished our nails and we're gonna go and get something to eat now.
That dog is so cute.
Which dog? That dog?
Yeah,
My niece is so sweet. Here are people. That dog is so cute. Can you believe this? She in love with people, them dog.
Follow the bus.
So one way. Girl, you drive fast, you know? Them girl, you press gas. Niece in play with the gas. Going straight. Remember, guys, just live in love, peace, and unity. And the world will be a better place. I love you, Nisi. And I hope to do this more often. The Spurge's Park.
Okay, they had the barbecue pit there, you know.
Yes.
They have a barbecue at Burgess.
You can.
That's kind of sick though. I'm gonna go.
Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell to see more of Alicia Christopher.